Hello everyone, this is the tutorial on how to create fishing in Unreal Engine 5. We will create the fish that can swim in the boundary box and the character can go fishing. And the fish will go to the hook and we can catch the fish. We display the amount of fish that we caught in the widget. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and thank you. Go to content, then create new folder, name it fishing pole, and create another folder, name it animation. I will put the link in the description below so you can purchase the animation from Unreal Engine Marketplace. Import the skeleton fishing pole inside Unreal. Import the fish texture, and for the animation, create new folder, name it fish. Get our fish inside, then import all the animation and the texture. Import all. For material, get our color, gloss, connect to roughness, and normal map, connect to normal. Create a new animation, name it fishing. Import our fishing animation. For skeleton, use SK Mannequin skeleton. Import all. Then create new folder, name it fishing pole. Import our fishing pole animation inside Unreal. Use wooden fishing pole skeleton. Import all. Go to our fishing animation. Right click, create new folder, name it retarget, and select all of our animation, duplicate and retarget animation asset. Select OTG UE4 menu to UE5 menu and change the folder location to our retarget. Click on retarget. Now for our inter animation, right click, create any montage. Open this animation montage. Click on Asset Browser, then find primitive looping animation. Drag it inside the animation montage. At the end of the first animation, we create new montage section, name it loop, and then click on montage section. For our loop, select loop, add 25 frames, right click, add montage, montage notify, add 146 frames, right click, add notify, montage notify. Click on the second play montage notify. Notify name is wait, WAIT. Then for the add animation, right click, create animation montage. Open this montage and add 128 frames. Right click on the notify, add montage notify. And for the nip ball, create Anim montage. Select montage section. Pick the next section, default. Now go to our third person character blueprint. Right click, search for key, then scroll down, select E key. Add new variable, name it fishing. Get fishing and create a branch. And when fishing is false, we set fishing to true. Get mesh, play montage. Select montage to play is enter animation montage. And go to our mesh. Search for skeletal mesh location. Open escape mannequin skeleton. Click on preview scene and choose use specific animation. For our animation, use loop fishing animation. Search for hand left bone. Right click, add socket. Right click on the socket, add preview asset is fishing pole. Click on it and adjust the fishing pole to the hand. Click on translate object and move it a bit. Rotate it. And now go to our third person character. Go to the mesh of the character. Add scene component. Name it hand left. And parent socket, search for hand L socket. Then add skeleton mesh. Name it fishing pole. Search for, then choose wooden fishing pole skeleton mesh. Search visibility. Set visible to false. Then get fishing pole. Play animation. Find our fishing pole animation. Use enter animation. Notify name if it equal to weight. Create a branch. Connect on notify begin to the branch. Add new variable. Name it fishing looping. Set fishing looping to true. If the notify weight is false, get fishing pole. Set visibility to true. Then when it's true, we play animation. Set looping to true. Find the loop animation of the fishing pole and drag it inside new animation to play. Call do one. After we play the enter animation, set the reset delay for 1 second. Then go to our fishing pole. Then go to our fishing pole. Then go to our fishing pole folder. Right click. Blueprint class actor. Name it BP Fish Attractor. Call spawn actor from class. For the actor class is Fish Attractor. Connect the transform to spawn transform and right click on the return value promote to variable. Name it fish attractor. Call attach component to component. For the return value, get root component, connect it to target, and get fish pole, connect it to parent. Set the location rule to snap to target, rotation rule snap to target, and scale rule keep world. Go to our fish pole, search for skeleton of the fish pole, then on fishing hook 0, right click, add socket, rename it to attractor socket. Copy this name and go to our search person director. For socket name is attractor socket. Playtest it. Press E. The director get the fishing pole and start fishing. But when the director is fishing, we still can move the director or jump it. And the shadow of the fishing pole is looking weird. So we have to disable that shadow. Go back to our third person director blueprint. Click on fishing pole. Search for shadow. And set cast shadow to false. Go to input axis, move forward or backward. Get fishing. And create the branch. Connect it to the branch. And if it falls, we add movement input. And get axis called absolute greater than 0. Then call or boolean, and for the right and left input do the same with fishing. If it falls, we add input. Get axis variable called absolute value is greater than 0, and or create and get fishing looping, connect it to and we create a branch and connect the true to this branch, the true of the left and right of the forward and backward. Call do one, connect the add movement input to reset. Then get mesh, call play montage. Montage to play is fishing at montage. And when we call this montage, get fishing pole, play animation. Go to our fishing pole animation. Use fishing at animation to new anim to play. Then when the notify begin, set fishing looping, set it to false, and set fishing to false too. Get fishing pole and set visibility to false. And go to input action jump. Get fishing. Create a branch. And if it falls, we jump. And if it's true, we can jump. Press E. And now we can jump the character. But if we press WASD, the character will pull the string back. Go to fishing pole folder, right click, blueprint class, actor and name it BP fish pool. Open it, add box collision. Click on the box collision, set X to 320, Y to 320, and Z is 180. Y is 320, and search for collision. Expand the collision preset, select custom, object type set it to world static, and ignore all. Set the line thickness to 5, then drag it inside our scene. We can set the height a little bit shorter, 90, and move it down. Go to our third person character blueprint, move this node a little bit, then call line trace for objects, connect it, get actor location, connect to start location, get actor forward vector, multiply it by 700, add the actor location to the forward vector, connect it to add location, then our object type make array, use var static. For return value, create a branch, copy line trace for object and paste it, connect file to line trace for object, and if it's true, we print string no fishing. For our return value, call select vector and connect the add vector to the B vector. Out hit, break hit result, expand it, connect location to A vector, then connect it to start, get actor up vector, multiply, right click on the second vector, convert pin to float, set the float to -500, add the location to the actor up vector, connect it to add location, make array, line trace for world static. For our hit result, break the hit result, get hit actor and get display name, then get substring, start index is 0 and length is 11. Check if it equal exactly to BP fish pool. Move this node a little bit, and if it's true, create a branch. If it's true, we go fishing, and if it false, print string no fishing, and go to our fish pool for our box, search for hidden in game and disable hidden in game. For our third person character, on line trace for object, we draw debug type, choose for duration, and draw time is 1 second, and this one for duration, draw time 1 second. Let's play test it. When we hit E, we collide with the box, so the character done fishing, and when we detect the bug from above, we start the animation. This is the end of our tutorial, and for the next tutorial we will create the fish that can swim and we can catch those fish. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you much. See you in the next tutorial.